Welcome to VideoCo Management Systems. I'll be demonstrating the first component, which is to register an account. And I'll just type in so I've created the account here, and each account has a 6-pin digit. I can do the same to create an employee. I'll just create a manager. And the manager account has been created.
Okay, so customers can log in, of course. It's our username, customer notification. You can search. You can add to cart. Yeah, you even get a toast. You can filter the price. You can filter the tier. You can filter availability. Yeah. See, tier. Okay, and then profile. You can view profile. As you can see, this account does not have overdue charges. You can check active rentals. Yeah, so he has some active rentals. He has something that's late, not returned. He has rental history. That's his entire order history. We can edit our profile. Let's change our name to, yeah, perfect. Change it. Amazing. We can view our loyalty points. As you can see, loyalty points are right there. Okay, so we can see that we have outstanding fees. Let's go try and pay them. Let's pay overdue charges. Let's see what happens. Nothing. Perfect. Let's see why. Active rentals, late, not returned. Okay, so let's go really quickly, run down to our Canada Post and return the item. Let's do that. Excuse me if I sound out of breath. Let's try and refresh the page. Oh wow, why isn't it there? It's in late returned. It was returned. That's how fast Canada Post is. Okay, let's try and pay the overdue charges. Let's try and refresh the page. Oh, the fee was paid. Amazing. Let's go to our cart and see what's up. Oh, we have some items. Let's try and remove them. Oh, we can remove them. Perfect. Let's go to checkout and also take note of the loyalty points in the order. Let's try and use our loyalty points. 75 loyalty points. We've got plenty of extra. And let's pay now. Payment successful.
Right, so I'm gonna demonstrate the operator account for VideoCo. So we just log in and see if there's someone calling us. We just press record, just put something for the customer reason and the log. Okay, and we can go to customer access and asking for the phone number and the PIN. We're just gonna use 123 and 123456 for the PIN. You see, we can update the information of the customer to all those updates. So if we try to, let's say for the first name, if we will enter A, update, and then you exit the customer, you go back to the customer with the phone number and the PIN, which is 123 and 123456. You can see that the first name is changed. So go to the cart. I can create a cart, so just adding some videos. And I can use the LP for the video. And I can pay by the credit card. So go to the order. You can see that it contains all the active order of the user, and the operator can cancel it. If you go back to the cart, you can see that the loyalty points gonna be updated accordingly. And then when we go back to the call logs, we can end the call when we finish, and we can show the story. So for the operator, you can register a new customer. So if you press the register, it's gonna show you some error. So just enter some emails and you want the password, the first name, address, phone number, the signature, and when you register, it will say like the account is created for that customer.
So here I'll demonstrate the manager account. Just gonna log in. So here you see the manager has the ability to add videos, remove videos, and add and remove warehouses. It also has all the abilities of the operator that we discussed, and so we have that component here. So I'm just going to add a video real quick. So that video has been added, and I can search for it. And that would be test. So here we have test 1. And if I go back to manager, I can remove by ID. I just had it copied earlier, the ID. If I go back to search for test, test 1 is now gone. And that's the one I just deleted. So the other functionality for the manager is to add a warehouse. I'll do that here. And you can also remove it. And I'm just going to remove it by name. You can see the warehouse list updates. Here I'll demonstrate the warehouse account. So here the warehouse team can see all the orders from all different accounts, and they can modify the status to any one of these. Apply, and you can see it's been modified. Just to make it easier for the warehouse team, all the preparing statuses can be set to shipped, and that will hand this off to the shipping team, and we'll just show that later on. So for each order, you can actually view the user's information and also their order. Here are the movies that this particular person has rented. The warehouse also has an inventory, and they can modify that just over here. So here I've increased the inventory for this movie. The next account we're looking at is the shipping team. Here we're logged in, and it displays all the orders that have the status to be shipped. So the shipping team can view the order, look at the movies that they have to pack. Once it's been packed, they can ship it. So here I'm just going to ship a bunch, and that just demonstrates the shipping. So when the user presses fulfilled and shipped, it generates the shipping label.